It's really easy to connect your Sony camera to your smartphone to transfer images or movies, or even control your camera with your smartphone. Let's see how you get those connected. Simply download the Creators App from Sony for either Android or iOS. Open the app and choose your selections on the privacy policy. You can sign into your Sony account or create one to benefit from up to 25 GB of free storage and even backup camera settings onto the cloud. Alternatively, you can also skip this stage. You'll also be asked about your skill level, and once completed, press the Camera tab and Next button and select your camera from the list. You'll be prompted to allow location information and access to nearby devices. Ensure that the Bluetooth function of your phone is enabled. Make sure that the Bluetooth on the camera is also enabled. This will be in the network settings in the menu. After this, select pairing on the camera and also on the phone when your camera's name appears there, and then press Start Pairing and accept pairing requests. Choose the desired Wi-Fi frequency, and now you're connected to your smartphone. And that's how you get your smartphone connected to your Sony camera.